Hi, here I am coming to you from the bottom of a pyramid. This is the Queen's Chamber, and I'm very excited to be here. And how is this making a difference? I guess for me, at the age of 14, I did an assignment on Egypt and the pyramids, and it is a dream come true. And hopefully, by being here and sharing this experience with 75 different nationalities, with women we've met over the conference, that I can take back some really exciting things to Australia and to share there as well. So, make a difference. Do something different in your life. Visit a place that you've always wanted to go. I'll speak to you soon. Have fun and start planning that next trip. Speak soon.